Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, great, very good class. So now it's time to begin with our today's classes with a very refreshed mood, and I hope you have enjoyed your festival, isn't it? सबने दशहरा enjoy किया? So you all must have watched different shows that were coming on television, isn't it? And what about Durga Navami? You celebrated that also? Great. So Durga Navami is done, Dashera is done, and you know that now Diwali is approaching, and after 20 days, दशहरा और दिवाली दोनों के बीच में कितना गैप होता है? 20 days का गैप होता है बस. So it's only for about 20 days, and then we'll be celebrating Diwali also. So Diwali is the festival of lights. Very good. So you all will be, now it's time to begin with the cleaning work in the house, isn't it? मम्मा ने स्टार्ट कर दिया होगा सब क्लीन करना. Then after few days we'll start putting lights and start decorating our houses, isn't it? So now what I'm assigning you a work is you can help your mother. How? Help her out with small things. Keep your toys at their place. You can clean your toys yourself. Ask mama to give you a wet cloth, and with that wet cloth you can just wipe up your toys. Now you all are grown up. You can take care of your toys, isn't it? गंदा भी तो आप ही करते हो, है ना? So ask your mama to give you a wet cloth, and like this you can start helping your mother. Okay class? Great. So now it's time to begin with our today's English class. So the day is Monday and the date is 26th October. So what we are going to do today class? Today we are going to begin with a new sound. That is U. U family start करेंगे. So as you all know there are 5 vowels. You all remember that or you have forgotten it? So there are 5 vowels in English alphabetical series. Which are those 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So we have done A family, E family, I family and O family. So all these 4 families we have done. We have learned so many words of all these families. Now today we are going to begin with U family. ठीक है? U sound को begin करेंगे and we are going to learn lot of new words in this U sound also. So today the first sound that we are going to take in U family is B. So tell me, what is the sound of U? When we talk about U, so U says umbrella, urn. तो जब हम umbrella बोलते हैं, urn बोलते हैं, तो क्या साउंड आती है? क्या साउंड आ रही है? की साउंड आती है ना? umbrella, urn, की साउंड आ रही है. That means alphabet U की साउंड है and the sound of alphabet B is B. Now B, क्या साउंड हो गई? And B together it make up. Is mixed with B and it became the up sound. Is that clear to all? So up sound words we are going to begin, and we'll understand about these different pictures and we'll write the name of these words also. Clear? So let's begin with the word. So the first word here is this picture. This is something in which we store water. We keep it either in washroom or in the washing area where mama washes the clothes, and it's a big vessel which is full of water. What is that called? Tub. So you all are very much aware of the tub. The tub in which we store water. Mama washes clothes, और जब भी हमें कोई बहुत big articles को wash करना होता है, clean करना होता है, so we use these tubs. Even we use them for bathing also. There are bathing tubs also, बहुत big size में होते हैं, in which you can lie down and you can take a shower. So they are called bathing tubs. But this is a normal tub. Okay. So tub. So what is the word you have learnt? Tub. So you are using it every day. But today we are going to understand the spelling also with sounds. So what is this? It's a tub. Okay. I have written B wrong here. This is the print form. No write cursive only. Clear? So this is our cursive B. So t, up, tub. Clear everyone? T, up, tub. Okay. Now you all must be knowing animals like lion, tiger, bear. आपने देखा है? And they all are wild animals. You know that? They all are wild animals. Yes. तो अब आप आपको एक बात बताइए. You must have seen their babies also. उनके babies देखे हैं आपने? Animal का जो tiger होता है, tiger के baby को हम क्या कहते हैं? What we call that? उसको हम टाइगर तो नहीं बोलते क्योंकि टाइगर तो ग्रोन अप होता है. लाइक वी ह्यूमंस, पापा को हम बोलते हैं मैन, बट हम बच्चों को मैन तो नहीं बोलते, हम उनको बोलते हैं बेबी, चिल्ड्रन, लाइक इजंट इट? सिमिलरली फॉर एनिमल्स व्हेन वी यूज टाइगर फॉर अ ग्रोन अप टाइगर, बट जब हम बेबी की बात कर रहे हैं, सो दीज बेबीज, द टाइगर बेबी इज कॉल्ड, द बेबी ऑफ अ टाइगर इज कॉल्ड कब. कब. Understood that? So लग रहा है ना थोड़ा वैसे ही. Okay. So this is a cub. Cub. Who is a cub? Tiger's baby. Yes. जो tiger होता है उसके बेबी को कहते हैं cub. Understood that? Okay. So two words we have learned. One is tub, and the other one is cub. Clear? Okay, now next we have is this picture. You all must have seen cars. आप सबके घर पे कार होंगी भी, isn't it? तो आपने कभी कार का व्हील देखा है? Have you ever seen the wheel of a car? The tire. You have seen the tire of the car. अब वो क्या होता है? Black color का होता है टायर. You all know that. टायर के बीच में, in the center of the tire, you will find a metal wheel. ये वाला जो ये पोर्शन जो मैम ने छोड़ा है, ये वाला, दिस इज द ब्लैक पोर्शन, द टायर पोर्शन, रबर पोर्शन, जो रबर का होता है, ब्लैक कलर का. बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस पोर्शन, ये जो बीच में होता है मेटल का व्हील जैसा, जिसमें ये स्पाइक्स निकले हुए होते हैं इस तरह से. सो यू नो व्हाट वी कॉल दिस पोर्शन? इट इज कॉल्ड हब. हब. क्लियर? सो आई मेक एन एरो टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड. ये वाला जो मेटल पोर्शन होता है, दिस मेटल पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड हब. सो विल राइट दैट हब. अंडरस्टूड दैट? टायर को हम व्हील बोलते हैं, टायर बोलते हैं ये ब्लैक पोर्शन को, बट द मेटल पोर्शन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, जो उसके बीच में होता है, जिसमें से नट्स ओपन करते हैं पापा व्हेन वी नीड टू चेंज द टायर, that is called hub. Understood? So one is tub. Then we did cup. Then we have hub. Clear all? Okay. Now what is this? You must have seen a game, might be on television, which is known as golf. What is the name of the game? Golf. इसमें क्या होता है? अंकल होते हैं, बहुत बिग फील्ड्स होती हैं, एंड दे हिट द बॉल यूजिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ अ स्पेशल स्टिक. इट इज नॉट लाइक एन हॉकी स्टिक. नो, इट इज नॉट एट ऑल. इट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड इट इज कॉल्ड क्लब. Club. Understood that? So let's write the word here. Club. So it's a club. Club. तो क्लब किसको कहते हैं? इस प्रॉपर स्टिक को कहते हैं. हॉकी इज डिफरेंट, बट गोल्फ खेलने के लिए जो स्टिक यूज होती है, दैट स्टिक इज कॉल्ड अ क्लब. क्लियर? ओके. Now moving to something next. What is this? You might have seen mama is washing clothes in the morning with her hand. Most of the times we are using washing machines, but sometimes when it is we are talking about delicate clothes, जो हमारे थोड़े party wears होते हैं, वो मम्मा हाथ से वॉश करती है. She wash them with her hands. She use sometimes when we have a spot on those clothes, she uses this brush to wash that. अब वो ब्रश को यूज करके क्या करती है? What she do? इसको क्या कहते हैं? ऐसे ब्रश को हम यूज कर रहे हैं टू क्लीन दैट पोर्शन, व्हाट वी कॉल इट. नॉट ओनली फॉर क्लोथ्स. अब हमें कभी अब क्लीनिंग करेंगे, कहीं पे मान लीजिए आपकी वॉल पे यू हैव अ स्पॉट ऑन द वॉल, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू क्लीन इट? You will scrub it. Scrub up. Scrub. Understood that? So how we are going to write that? Scrub. Sir and cur. Scrub up. So it's a long word, but when you are going to pronounce it with the help of sounds and you will write the alphabets, it will be easy for you. Scrub up. Scrub. So what is this? It's scrub. Now, whenever I am writing something on the board and I make mistake, what I am doing here? Ma'am, क्या कर रहे हैं board को? What is this? I am rubbing something. तो जब आपसे mistake होती है, you also use your eraser to rub it. Rub. So rub means when we are cleaning our board or you are doing some sort of erasing in your notebook, so you are doing rubbing, isn't it? Rub. So the new word that we have learned here is rub. Rub means when we are erasing something. This is scrub, but this is rub. Both are different. Scrub जब आप बार-बार उसको करे जा रहे हो, you have to keep on doing it. Rub is only once. And scrub is when you are repeatedly doing it. Clear everyone? Okay. Now one more word I have here for you. That is na. Let me write that word first. Na. So this is the word. Can anyone tell me the meaning of this word here? Nub means a small piece. Very small piece, like a nub of cheese. छोटा सा piece cheese का. When we are putting rat catchers, जब हम चूहेदान लगाते हैं to catch those rats and mice, हम उसमें छोटा सा खाने का कोई भी piece लगाते हैं. So that very small piece is called nub. Nub. Clear everyone? So let us have a revision of the words that we have learnt today is tub. So they all are up sound words. Up, tub. Hub. Nub. Club. Rub. Cup. Scrub. तो जब आपको rub लिखना आ गया, उसमें you have to only add scrub, and after joining all these you have learned scrub. Scrub. Understood all? Any doubts to anyone? Please ask me on the call or via messages. Clear? Okay. So class, now moving towards our today's book work. So we are going to do work on page number 62. I'll write here book page number 62. So when you will open this book page in your phonic book, you will find up sound words. So what you have to do, as usual, you are going to practice all the words written there 3 times, and after that you have to complete the sentences also. So 2 sentences are given there, so you have to complete those 2 sentences as well. And after that, let's see how we are going to do our today's homework. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to write these up sound words in our notebook today. Clear? So first thing is you are going to write today's date, then the topic's name, and after writing the name of the topic, you are going to mention HW here. So like this, you will write HW. Understood? After writing this, we'll start writing the names here. So now, always number your words. Clear everyone? So the first word we learnt is tub. ab, tub. This is the first word we have learnt. Ab, tub. Now after writing tub, the second word that we have learnt here is cup. So we'll write cup. Understood? Tub, cup. Okay, the next word that we have learnt, can anyone tell me which is that? We have learnt hub. Yes, so what is a hub? The metal portion which is there in the wheels of the car, or you can say tire of the car. Hub. Clear? So after writing hub, we'll move to the next. Next we did is rub. Rub. Tub, cup, hub, rub. So after rub, what I told you, a small piece a very small piece, what we call that? Nub. Nub. Understood that? Okay. So let's write the next one. So what is the next one? The stick that we use to play golf. What we call that? We call it a club. Yes. Club. So what we call it? We call it a club. Okay, now last word that we are going to write. So what we do when we wash the clothes, when it is having a spot on it, what we do? Scrub. So, rub, scrub. Understood that? So let's see all the words once again. We have learnt that is tub, cup, hub. Then we did rub, nub, club, scrub. Understood all the words? So class, this is your today's homework which you have to do in your English notebook. Clear everyone? Understood that? So class, you all might have understood today's sound that we have learnt. We have learnt about up sound words. So as you all are aware, we have started with U sound now. So now we are going to do the last family, last vowel we are going to learn, that is U sound, and today we have done up sound words. Clear everyone? So please, whenever you are doing your work repeatedly, beta I am telling you again and again, because those who are doing the work as I am saying, they are learning perfectly. वो बहुत अच्छे से work भी कर रहे हैं and the learning work is also going perfectly for them. How they are doing? Whenever they are writing the words, as I am telling to everyone, whenever you are writing, write with sound. Always speak the sound and try to understand which alphabet will come. There are only very less words in which silent alphabets are used. I know some of the alphabets are there. Some of the words in which we are having silent alphabets, but maximum we are having the words in which when you are saying the sound, you have to write that alphabet. So learn them with sounds. Clear all?